Hi there. This stainless steel litter box comes very well packaged. So I've got the pieces out of the box and everything looks really well made. User manual and have this put together in a second and we'll see if Pico likes it. So this went together super easy. What I like the most about it is I got tired of taking the whole top off of my other one. You have to take the whole top off just to scoop out the poo. This one, you just pull it out, scoop it, push back in. And I really like it. Comes with that. It has the deodorizer in here. It's right up inside the top, and it comes with an extra and some extra feet. These are already on the bottom, and a great manual. It went together very well. It shows you how to do everything. What'd you think, Pico? What'd you think of? Get in? He's checking it out. I'm sure he'll do just fine with it. And he likes it. Right, Pico? You like it? I like it a lot. I think you might too. Good boy.